It's going to be a beautiful driveway when it's done. A big, beautiful driveway. Hi, this is Comet Troy, the RV park builder, and today I'm on site at Harmony Ridge RV Park. Now, we started the construction on this RV park back in 2022, so now this is 2025, and we've had a dirt driveway forever. And it holds up pretty good. It gets hard as cement. You know, when you put your RV jacks down, it's like, you know, they don't sink in at all. It's like cement. But we've always wanted to get, you know, a better coating on top of here. I really recommend you get your trenching done and get the water erosion done before you put a top surface on your driveway. So today we're going to put a top surface on our driveway. In fact, we're going to use the tools that we have here. We talked about the tools last week and the process. I've linked them above here, and you know, if you need to get a hold of those or watch those videos. So this is what the church driveway looks like. Now here I am spreading some rock on the driveway. I've been using the dump truck to get my own rock from the quarry. So here is dumping a rock. Now Comet Muffin is using her tractor to spread the rock around after it's been dumped. She's been using a combination of the bucket to disperse the pile more, and she's using the box blade to make a nice smooth surface for driving on. So she's going to demonstrate how she's been doing that here. So let's see. Here she comes, Comet Muffin in her tractor. it. Go Comet Muffin. She's spreading rot like a champ. And, you know, it may not look like she's moving much right now. We had already spread a lot of this off camera. So now she's just kind of going over the top and, you know, taking down the little hive spots and that. So it's really turning out nice. Now I should mention that this is just the first layer of rock on here. I think was it 2 or 3? It's only 3 dump truck loads, and so the layer is pretty thin now. But we're gonna get this packed down, and then we're gonna put some, you know, build up some more layers on top of that. It's gonna be a beautiful driveway when it's done. A big, beautiful driveway. So, go Comet Muffin. Like this video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell, and I will see you in the next video.